today is Monday. I have a lot of stuff to do. Received a call, or not a call. Received an order for some mugs, so I gotta actually go and pick those up. These particular ones are actually going to be at the Dollar Tree. The only problem is I'm having difficulties finding the colors, so I'm gonna have to go from Houston to Tomball and check out their Dollar Tree. The Dollar Trees around here, I've already gotten all the mugs in the color I need, which is black. I can do some in hunter green as well.
Gray also?
Not gray. That's green and black.
Green and black.
So the ones around my house here, I've already gotten all the blacks I need. I need black mugs that I need.
For the church?
Yeah, it's for a church's order, yes. I gave them the option whether to do the cheaper mug with a vinyl decal for a very good price, or to do the regular mugs with sublimation printing, which are going to be more. They opted to do the other one because they're wanting to spread their budget on other things other than mugs. So to do that, we have to go shop at Dollar Tree to get the mugs that we need, which they look really good. So that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna make our way to Dollar Tree. Yes, take my clippers.
So, they already saw the mugs at your office?
Yeah, they already seen the mugs, and that's why they decided to do the ones with the vinyl. It's more cost effective this way than to do the sublimation printing, because those mugs take special mugs. You can't just do sublimation printing on any mug. It has to have a polymer type of coating on it for it to be sublimation printing, which those mugs cost quite a bit more. So I'm actually able to sell these at the same cost as my sublimation mugs cost. So we're here in Houston. We're starting out early because it's already in June. So hot.
June 2nd.
June 3rd.
What?
It's June 3rd.
Yeah, yesterday was June 2nd.
So we've got to go get this done. It's going to be a busy week. I have orders from my Amazon Etsy orders that I need to complete. And so that's what we're doing. Alright guys, we're arriving here at the dollar store, and we're going to park, go in there, and hopefully we'll have a successful find of the mugs we're looking for.
Find
The colors.
Find grab.
Yeah, find grab, that's true. Huh? We need right there. Okay. Let me go get a card.
I can look at it.
Hold on. Okay, let's go. Slowly. Well guys, we're heading back home. This last trip to the dollar store was successful. We got all the mugs we need now to complete this order. So sometimes you just got to travel a little further to get your supplies. I mean, that's just part of it. And we're thankful that I actually didn't have to go to too many locations, but one. And the thing is, coming here, there's more opportunity to find the stuff we're looking for, because Houston's dollar stores are, most of the time, a lot of times their shelves are blank and you can't find what you're looking for. But part of being an entrepreneur, you know, you gotta think outside the box. So we're heading home. I've still got a busy day ahead of me. I gotta do some screen printing, need to do some video editing, and then start working on this order, these mugs, and another order of mugs. And I just had a customer reach out to me and say that they need some mock-ups of another mug. So the mug business is kicking off. It took a little while to fine-tune the artwork and all that good stuff, but we're finally my business is finally to the point where we can actually start making some money with the mugs. So anyways, that's always a good thing. Yep.
Ready?
Yes.
So like when you make a video about the t-shirts printing and the mug prints, it makes the viewers is interested of getting one.
Yeah, maybe. But I like giving out information to help people. I mean, I struggled over some things, and if you can find a YouTube video or a video of some sort, it helps. It helps the community. That's the whole thing about doing this, you know, to help people out. Show them what you've done that has worked. Show them what you've done that hasn't worked. Be transparent, and it's good for everybody. Right? All right.